Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you be able to do an affiliate marketing by using Semrush and be able to make up to 200 USD per every sale you made. As you can see, I'm using my computer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be showing you this platform, and also I will be showing you how can be getting started, and also I'll be showing you how can be able to make money by doing affiliate marketing by using Semrush. What you do is to sell the other services or marketing tools and be able to make money. Without wasting time, let's get started. Now, what we do, you can either use your mobile phone or use your computer and come and type for Semrush affiliate marketing. After typing Semrush affiliate marketing in your computer, you're going to see this platform which is called Semrush. As you can see, I have to click on it, and also after clicking on it, you can see I'm directly getting to the application page, but I have to start first of all reading to understand what amount of money will I be making, and also how will I be making money on this platform. As you can see, the first thing is that partner with an industry leading company. There are over 10 million marketers. You can see there is high commissions, which is ranging from 50 USD to 200 USD for every sale you made, plus 10 USD for every free trial your fellows sign up. Lastly, click attribution model. Click get credit for your referral with the last click attribution model and 120 days cookies live. As you can see, if we go to this page, you can see even though the person is going to be signing up for free trial, going to be making money. As person gonna be signing up for a free trial on the given services, you'll be able to earn USD 10, and also you'll be able to earn USD 50 up to 200 for every sale that is successfully made after free trial period. So you have to make marketing easy, grow with incentives, and also dedicated support is available for them. What you can do is to come here and be able to see this free trial section, SEO toolkit. You gonna be getting 10 USD if person is gonna be signing up for a free trial. Content toolkit, the same. Social toolkit, local toolkit, traffic and the market toolkit. So for every toolkit that person is gonna be subscribing you for free trial, you're gonna be earning the 10 USD for commission. And also you can go here below and see this leaderboard and dashboard showing you how much money you can be able to make per every sale. If you're gonna be able to make 0.0 up to 4 sales per quarter, you're gonna be making this amount of money. And also it's gonna be rising up, depends on the pressure, or depending on how far you're gonna be getting most customers who are gonna be coming to purchase these services. So what you need to do now, if you want to get started, you need to click on the apply section, and also after clicking on the apply section, you're going to be directed to the application form, and also you can either be using impact.com. So you can see that now we are on impact.com. If you don't have an impact.com account, you have to sign up with one, but also you have to choose here, and first of all you have to accept the terms and conditions, then click on, you can have to read them out, then click on continue. What they will ask you is to sign up with an email or sign up with different socials. Here you have, and also if you already have a impact.com account, you can use it to log in and also start making money. Thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be able to join this Semrush affiliate marketing program. And also if you have an issue with signing up, remember to leave in the comment section. And also if you want to get started, also you can be from these procedures on this video and also be able to start making money with affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, share it with our friends, and tap the bell button so as you already get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV.